Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, this is Glenn of Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. If you guys are serious with your mobile phone repair or laptop repair, hobby or business, you might want to purchase this Longwei LW 30 volt 5 amperes and this Kaisi 1505TD. This Kaisi 1505TD is for repairing mobile phone. Its voltage output is limited to 15 volts and 5 amperes, while the Longwei 30 volt is limited up to 30 volts. The good thing with this Kaisi 1505TD is that it has 3 digits, and another one is the product schematic charger. This is a good thing to have if you're repairing mobile phones, because once you charge the phone in here, you can see the amperes that it is using. So these 3 are my favorite power supply for repairing phones and laptop. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.